Double replacement reactions, take one. Well, here we go again. Once again, you have to know your kind of former knowledge of chemistry. But I'm going to use a reaction that we're used to here. Let's say we have some sodium chloride. It's an ionic compound. And in your test tubes, it was aqueous. And we dumped in some silver nitrate, NO3. And I believe silver nitrate, that's probably a 3 down here. Now what happens in a double replacement reaction, oops, this is aqueous also, is that the sodium here replaces the silver, and the silver replaces the sodium. So you could say the cations replace each other. So the sodium's floating around on its own. Oops. Sodium, which is floating around on its own, replaces the silver, and the silver replaces the sodium, and we get sodium nitrate. And this is part of your nomenclature now, but we can see that the sodium and the nitrate, it's only one sodium cation because it's a +1, and a nitrate is a -1, so it looks like that. And I look on my solubility table, and I know that it's aqueous, plus, I'm going to have to come down here, silver chloride. Okay, and again, if I look on my solubility table, I can see that silver chloride is insoluble. So I'm going to write that and make it a solid. So what happens again is aqueous sodium chloride, these are floating around on their own in water, combined with aqueous silver nitrate, these are floating around on their own. The sodium and the nitrate get together to make sodium nitrate, and it's aqueous. Plus, the silver combines with the chlorine or chloride to make silver chloride, and it becomes a solid. And that's that white milky stuff that you saw. Now, this is very different than what a single replacement reaction. Remember, a single replacement reaction was something with, let's see here if I can get this. Aluminum reacted with copper chloride, I believe it was that, makes aluminum chloride plus copper. Very different. There is no ionic compound. It is an element. Okay, single replacement. This singly replaces the copper and kicks the copper out. Double replacement now, this is what happens. We get sodium and silver switching around. There we go. Double replacement. Ask me questions. There's some analyzing questions to test how well you understand numbers 3, 4, and 5.